This is Sketch. When he draws, the world comes alive with imagination. One afternoon, Sketch had a wild idea. A dragon. But not just any doodle, a magical doodle. Meet Fizzle. Small, silly, and just a little sneezy. Uh-oh. Every sneeze came with fire. The more Fizzle sneezed, the bigger the trouble grew. Sketch had to think fast. An icy doodle might cool things down. Oops! That didn't work. Maybe a giant blanket could stop the sparks. Nope, not even close. Then Sketch had a clever idea. At last, a doodle that worked. And that's how Sketch learned even the smallest doodles can spark the biggest adventures.